What a humiliation.
I have never seen such before.
So, what has happened has happened. What are we going to do now? Or are we going to fold our arms and watch our late brother's family end in shambles? Eh?
What else do you want us to do?
Udoka want us to stay away from her family. That we are outsiders.
So we should fold our arms and watch them die.
Okakoma.
Eh?
Okama.
No, I said no. We cannot fold our arms, as you said. We have to report to our kinsmen so that Udoka will be called to order.
I agree with you. I will report this case immediately to the head of Umona. Yes.
That woman.
What kind of stubborn woman is she?
She needs to be taught a lesson. By the time our Umona handle her, she will be humble.
It's okay. The issue is this. I am going to call, in fact, I will go by myself to the head of our Umona so that there will be an emergency meeting as regard to this.
Okay. Ebuka, I will start going.
You are start going. I'm going with you as well.
Let's go. Should I drop you? Whatever happens, I will let you people know.
Just wait now. Be careful. Update us after you might have met with our chairman.
We can card here with that.
Mama, come out, please. It's too much. Mama, out. Mama, you're leaving this house. I am not going anywhere. Mama, you are leaving this house today. Mama is leaving this house. Talk to Mama. Talk to Mama.
You need to calm down. The neighbors are listening.
They're hearing you. She has to leave. She needs to leave this house so that Ola will enjoy her home. I am not going anywhere. Mama, you're leaving this house. I took care of you people. So you people are going to take care of me too. It is my time to enjoy. Did you take care of us to snatch our husbands? Mama, you must leave. It's a lie. I'm not going anywhere. You got force my force.
Mama, you see? I've closed this door. You're not entering it. Okay?
So you, Ogo, you ran away to escape the meeting your wife called, okay? So what are you doing here now?
Mama,
you leave.
Listen, guys. Listen, we need to calm down, okay? Let's all re-strategize and find better ways to handle this, please.
If you tell me the best way to handle this, please. This house, how? Mama, don't bring my husband to this. In fact, Baba, you go and rent a house. Not this house. Because you're not entering here again.
I am going to live in this house for as long as I want. If your husbands touch me, I will go and report to the police that they molested me and beat me up.
Hey, is that your plan?
Yes, touch me.
Is that your plan?
I am waiting.
Mama, please, you're leaving.
Mama, you have to go.
Yeah, hello, my daughter. Yes, I've been able to meet with the head of our Umona, and he promised to fix an emergency meeting. So, as soon as he does that, I will put call across to you and your sisters. Of course, I will do that. And that is not a problem.
Don't
worry, I'll call you.
Hasn't touched the call.
Ngwano, wait. What is it?
I'm asking you, what is it? Have you gone to see Adeze's husband?
Is that why you're disturbing my call?
Papa, did you just say Mama is disturbing because she talked about my case?
I will see your husband when I'm ready.
Mami Nanukwa.
What did you just say? We had an agreement. And you promised that you will go and see her husband as soon as you come back from the city. So what is happening now?
Didn't you hear what I said? Didn't you hear what I said?
Papa, I don't like this, so. I don't like this at all. I don't.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up that mouth? You came here, you lied to me that you boarded out of your husband's house because of domestic violence. But I know what he told me on phone. I know what he told me. You cursed what made him to chase you out of the house. Yes.
And Papa, you believed him?
No. Why won't I believe him? Because I know that you are a rattlesnake. That's who you are.
Papa Daisy. Just imagine what you are saying about your own daughter. Your own flesh and blood. So other people's daughters are good, but your own is the bad one. Mama
Daisy, I've told you before, I am not in a quarrelsome mood. Don't prompt me into that. Are you hearing me?
Papa, I don't like this so. I feel insulted.
Why won't you feel insulted? Why won't you feel insulted? No, I should worship you because I'm saying the truth. Like I told you people before, I don't need your disturbance.
Have you seen it? Have you seen the kind of a father you have? Euphoria? Mama,
I can't take this. Who knows what you must have said to my husband?
This man is making me angry. In fact, I am angry. He has made me angry right now. He can walk out Bugomo. Huh?
Hi. Good. How are you? It's good to see you.
Ken, I am here to take my pots.
Come on, Junika. See, Junika, we need to talk.
I am not here to talk with you, Ken. Go inside and bring my pot. Let me go.
Why are you doing this to me, baby? I still love you.
Keep your love to your sugar mommy. I don't need it. Baby. Go inside and bring my pot.
Baby, listen. I don't have anything. Honestly speaking.
Are you mad? You will take me to your lies. Go inside and bring my pot. Let me go. Ken, what is going on here? Who is this girl?
Is it not this girl that insulted me the other day? What is she doing here?
Mama.
Oh, see, Mama. Wow, no. Me, Mama. You open your mouth to call me Mama because of this idiot Barajinobi. What is she doing here?
Ken, you're wasting my time. Go inside and bring my pot.
Oh, shut up! You just shut that your stupid mouth.
Excuse me, ma.
Also, excuse me. Are you mad? What is she doing here?
Get away. Is that baby? Hey! Wait, wow. If for a moment was sweet 16, Mama, what is this? I'm job. Baby, what the barra? Ken, you see what you cause?
And you slap me again. I'll slap you over and over again if you don't shut that your stupid mouth. Baby. I prefer him for baby. And when you were doing the thing with me in the bedroom, was it testing Mama in the report that was sweet 16 to come Mama? Are you mad? Listen. Hi. If you know that explanation you want to give, ask this Akpabo to leave here now. Shh.
But you're so funny. You're very funny.
Is that what you call funny?
Yes, but why would you say that to him?
Ken is a very, very funny character. You need to study him. Honestly.
Well, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise what?
Guess.
Okay.
Guess.
Guess? No, you know I'm not good at
okay,
guessing.
Please
I don't know how to guess. I don't like it. I don't like surprises.
Okay, fine. You have to listen attentively so you get every bit of whatever I have to say to you.
Ears are
open your... Oh, sorry, my phone. My sister, sorry, Ola.
Hello, sis.
What's up?
All right, I'll be there.
What is it?
My mom has started again.
So what do we do?
I need to go to my sister's house. Yes.
What happened?
I'll be back, please.
Ma. Hey! Hey! What kind of temptation is this, eh? What have I gotten myself in? Look at me. I lost my 6 years relationship to Gedeka because of this woman. Hey! I'm finished. I never knew she would not give up after the first time. Now I'm confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Hey! God. She even comes to my house unannounced.
Stop! Following me. Just leave me alone. I beg you.
Honey, please hear me out first. Honey?
Leave my sight.
Honey, I'm sorry.
I said just leave my sight, Charles. Just leave my sight. I mean, I am so disappointed at...
I'm sorry, just...
I am so disappointed at you. Nonsense. Just leave my sight! Leave! Right now.
Hi, kid sis.
Hi.
Are you okay? You called. What is it? I heard you yelling at your husband. Is everything okay?
Yes.
What is it?
I called you here because I am about to do something unimaginable at this house.
What happened? K4.
Just this afternoon. My husband. Alan, where is my lunch? I am talking to you. Where is my lunch? Mama, what is it? What is it? Give me that. Mama, I am talking to you and asking you for my lunch. Are you busy pressing for you? Huh? Because you're married, you'll not behave as if I'm not your mother. It may also eat your type of wine in our one. I'm a little child that you deny food. Huh? Mama, I don't want us to start. Please just give me my phone. Give me my lunch. When you denied me breakfast, I didn't say anything. And now you don't want me to have my lunch?
Honey, is it true?
What kind of stupid question is that? Huh? Ogum, I'm respecting you. Tell her to give me food. When she denied me breakfast, I didn't say anything. But denying me lunch, I won't take it. Alama, I will not take it. I was going to
Honey, give her lunch.
I will do no such thing.
Honey, please.
Don't. Say what you want to say.
Honey, she needs to eat. Give her food to eat.
Tell Mama to give me my phone. There's something I'm doing with that phone. Tell her.
Honey, why are you being unnecessarily stubborn here? Why? I'm talking to you and you're ignoring me, honey. Am I not talking to you?
Give me food. Give me food. Give me food. Come on, dear girl, I can't see what he be money. He should slap you so that you give me food. Suppose you don't have respect for your husband. Honey. See?
Hola.
See the car.
married. See cow! Why are you honeying her? Huh? When you're supposed to slap her well to give me food, not honey. When people quarrel, did they call honey? It's because you're a cow. I'm married to a cow. That's why I'm calling her honey even when you're angry. Honeying my food. Rubbish. Olama!
You mean your husband did all of that?
Yes.
Where is Mama?
Sis, if Mama do not leave this house, my marriage is going to collapse. I swear to God. I swear. Mama must leave my house.
God forbid. Listen, your marriage will not collapse. Where is that Mama safe? Mama,
what did Mama do? What did Mama do? Agaracha. Hey, you're here again to start your gang. Listen, the earlier you stop this your gang up, the better for all of us. Mama, what are you always ganging up against me?
Mama, if you like, call it gang up or anything. You're leaving my house today. Nonsense.
Story for the gods. Oh. You have always been saying that. If I want to leave, I will leave. Nobody will make me leave. This is my son-in-law's house. What is that? It's only my house.
Become a chiono, Mama. Mechiano. What is all of this now? Keiho. Mama Gekwenti. In fact, what is wrong with you, Mama? What is wrong with you? Do you think we don't know what to do?
I'm telling you.
We're just respecting you because you're a mother. Oh.
So what is keeping you from doing what you know how to do? Eh? Do it!
Mama,
Mama, stop. So hit me.
Mama.
Hit me.
Shut
up.
Mama.
Just for the last shut your mouth.
For the last one. For the last time, you are leaving my house today. I know I always say it, but today is the last day. You will leave my house today.
So you shut up. You think I don't know what to do too? I am just doing it calmly and doing it quietly because you are my children. Oboroya, monagizo nwoke idaka popo nani.
Hi.
Idaka popo. They go do sweet 16. That is nka wera kwuru. No, you still go. You haven't done much, but I've given birth to 3. Yet I'm standing on the ground. Then for chisi benine, bro somwa.
I am so disappointed in you. You're not worthy to be my mother.
Who cares?
Who cares, right?
Who cares?
I care because you're leaving my house.
What when you're looking far older than I am?
Hi.
Who said I'm even your mother? Maybe I'm all by mistake. Why am I even wasting my precious time? Ah! So it's 16. Ebugamfa ara makamo ayakata bongo 16 mo lenumu ara makakwa mo nwene wobufa ayakata bongo
No. Mama is demented.
Imagine. What is wrong with this woman?
See, we'll teach her a lesson. But for now, calm down. She's still our mother.
Mama, where is my car key? Huh?
Did you give me any car key?
Then who made away with it? Who took it from the table I normally kept it? Huh? I am asking you.
Why are you still asking me? Eh? I have told you that I did not see any car key. You keep on asking me.
Then who made away with that car key? Who made away with it? Huh? Where is Adeze?
I don't know.
What's the meaning of this? What do you mean you don't know? Where is all this coming from? If I ask you this one, I don't know. I ask you the other one, you don't know. Where is all this coming from? This I don't care, I don't know attitude. Where is it coming from?
Bianwokem, do you expect me to answer what I don't know? Or feature? Because I don't know is I don't know. Afuram here, Amarom here.
I'm already some hours late to where I want to go. I need that car key. Let me still search for it.
Because search off, woman. I don't know. Nonsense. This is just the beginning. We'll keep on looking for it till next year.
Unto the old do I lift up my Let me not be ashamed. Let not my enemies triumph over me. Lord, 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 Lord. Lord, 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 Lord. Lord, Lord, Lord. Oh, God, I can face you. Unto the earth do I lift up my soul. Unto the Lord do I lift up my soul. Oh my God, I trust in thee. Let me not be ashamed. Let not my enemies triumph over me. Oh God, God, Father Lord, Ancient of days, Lily of the valley, I am like the proverbial prodigal son. Lord, I have sinned against you, and I am not worthy to be called your son again. Lord, Lord, forgive me. I confess you, Lord. I confess you. Oh God, please forgive me. Forgive me. I will never go back to my old ways again. Oh God, God. I did not know how it started. I was consumed by the flesh. Forgive me, Lord. Forgive me and give me the grace to overcome temptations when they come this time. Forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Forgive me, Lord, forgive me, Lord, forgive me. Where is my car key?
Car key, kwa? Papa, I'm just coming back and you're asking me about your car key.
Didn't you sleep in this house? How can my own car key disappear in my room and you and your mother claiming you don't know anything about it?
Papa, I did not even see your car key. Talk more of taking it.
Hassan, you're back. Yes, I'm back. Welcome.
Come to the backyard. I want to show you something.
I have not finished with her. And you're asking her to follow you. Excuse me. What's the meaning of that?
Papa, I am done talking with you. I don't know anything concerning your missing car key.
Never. You answered him well. Let's go.
Papa, you come and look for your car key where you can.
Get me salary for Angongo.
Spin.
Hassan. Did you lock the kitchen door?
No. Is it locked?
Yes. Where is your father?
He should be in his room.
I don't think so. I think he went out.
Look at his car there now. Did he go out without his car?
Don't worry about the car. Could it be that he locked the kitchen door and went out with the key?
Oh, Papa, do such a thing. I'm hungry, oh. People.
Let me go to his room and check whether he kept the key there. I know he's the one that locked the kitchen. Come on.
Yeah, we'll break down that door if Papa tries it too.
How can he lock the door and went out to the key? Because he's looking for his car key. Should not try it too. Nobody should try me in this house. I'll break that door.
Yes! Who's it?
It's me, Olamma. It's me, your mother.
Which mother?
Open the gate for me now. Please, if you know where you're coming from, go back there.
And who is that?
Olamma, don't tell me. Don't tell me now.
It's my mother.
Open the gate for me. I can pull it down. Pull it down. I'm going to kill her to do. Pull the gate down. Chineke, what did I do now? It is not young men that I am telling you. I cannot do when I'm young.
Honey, please open the gate for her.
I will not open this gate. I've taken enough of this woman. Adam,
she won't sleep out.
Let her sleep out.
Charlie. Nah.
Honey, let me
Don't. Me and you, we are going to fight. We are going to fight if you try opening this gate.
Charlie, you're my in-law.
Now open the gate for me, Biko. Don't mind her why. You're going to come here again at this matter.
Let me just open it for her, please.
Can you just go back? Can you just go inside? No, don't mind her. Don't mind her. Just open the gate for me. Oh? Just look at it. What kind of thing is this one? What wrong did I do now that I want to enjoy myself? Why am I confused if I cannot enjoy myself? Huh? I can't only. I don't think wow. People are looking at me outside though. People are looking at me as if I'm a mad woman. As if the man was even there. Yes, you are that mad woman. Stay out there so that people will look at you because you've gone banana.
Don't open it now. Don't open it. I think you will be outside. Are you not hearing people outside?
Olamma, I need to clean up. Can't you remember? No, I just happy.
Stay outside. Stay outside. And you're outside.
What is this?
You're outside.
Look at.
Get out of my house. What's your problem? I will deal with you. You must give me the key to the kitchen.
What is your problem? I said, let me be. Let me be.
Not until you give me the key to the kitchen. How could you be this wicked? How can you be this heartless? You locked the kitchen door since yesterday without caring whether we eat or not. You were like watching, and now you want to go out with it.
Leave me.
Papa, you better give her the key. Oh. Give her the key. Since yesterday we have not eaten anything. Give her the key.
Will you shut up? You connived with your mother and seized my car keys since yesterday. You are here telling me you've not eaten since yesterday. Are you stupid?
Oh, that is it. So because of the car key, that was why you've been starving us. You starved us all through yesterday, and now you want to go out again with the key. Omanre.
Get off me. Mama Daisy, get off me.
Papa, because of ordinary car key. Obitakwa give me yo.
Now, where is that my key?
Womo.
I said, give me that car key now. Give it to me. Give me my car key. You will not see that kitchen key if you don't give me the car key. Is that clear? Let me have my car key.
Bring the kitchen key.
Mama sweet 16 no. Now so she go de pium. Oi, Mama sweet 16 no. Now so she go de pium. Mama nye because you want nigga. Now so you go de pium.
Olama.
Everything a double wide.
Olama. Olama.
Watch your husband there.
Chinekele. What is this?
Keep knocking, oh.
Olama. Olama, you locked me out last night. As if that was not enough. This morning you threw my bag out of your house. Open this door, else you regret your life.
There's nothing to regret.
Open this door. Olama. Olama. Open that door. Let me go to the back.
Is she back? Don't you think we should open the door for her? Yeah.
What are you saying?
I don't like the way she's cursing you.
Let her curse me. That's an empty threat. Okay? Nothing will happen to me because I did not do her anything.
Can you just do this for my sake? Just open the door for her.
I will not. I'm sorry about it. Nonsense.
I have to go to my room then. I can't just sit here and hear her keep knocking at the door.
Better. I'll come out. Not for one thing. I'll come out there and pour you hot water.
Who's that? Who's that?
Babe, who's that?
I don't know, and I won't open the gate till I'm certain who is knocking.
Ma, is the dog your mother?
Babe, that's your mother.
Maybe Ola has thrown her out again. She has probably locked her outside again.
Ma, open the gate.
I will not open the door for her. She thinks she's smarter than all of us.
Babe, are you... Babe, listen, don't you think we should...
Hey, because Yana, it's not good that I should be out here now.
Yeah.
I don't want me, yeah.
Ife mmadụ metala na bịakwute ya n'ọdịnihu.
Uncle called this morning to inform me that Mama never returned to the village.
Wait, you mean to tell me Mama is not in the village as we speak?
Yes. She's not in the village.
Where could she have gone to?
Nobody knows.
I don't know. And I don't care. And I don't want to know. But I am happy that I've gotten rid of her from my house.
In as much as you've gotten rid of her from your house, she's supposed to be in the village, but she's not there.
How is it my business? It's not my business.
No, don't say that. Regardless of Mama's nasty attitude, she's still our mother. Okay? If anything should happen to Mama today, it will affect you. It will affect all of us. So it is our business.
It won't affect me.
Oh, really?
I don't even know why she switched off her phone.
You're talking as if you don't know that woman. She's somewhere cooling off her head. And she purposely switched off her phone.
No, Ola, don't sound like that. See, regardless of Mama's nasty behavior, she's still our mother. Okay? We should care for her.
I don't blame you. Yes. You are saying this because you've not experienced what we passed through in the hands of our mother. You've not be saying this.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
Meaning of what?
No. What is the meaning of this?
Girl, stop, please. Stop.
No, sis, don't tell her. No, sis, don't tell me it's okay. Talk to her. Why are you telling me it's okay? Please, I'm not somebody. What's that?
Arrogant somebody, right?
Yes.
Sis, talk some senses into her.
Look at you. She should be the one talking to you. She should talk sense into you because you're losing it. It's obvious.
I don't blame you. You just open your mouth like God and say anything you want to say, right?
Oh, really? God. Well, I have the right to express myself and I will.
Oh, really?
And you will not stop me. No! What's that? I'm out of here. Please. Oh, really?
Geraldine, come back here.
Because I'm keeping quiet.
You are keeping quiet for my food.
Ola, it's okay. It's okay. What is all this?
I don't know, but we are just talking.
It's fine.
What kind of temptation is this? I think the best thing is to run away from this house before I die here. Hey! Efuemo. I have fetched the ant-infested firewood and now lizards have come visiting. I didn't bargain for this at all.
We are here to see Uncle.
Which uncle?
Our uncle. Your husband.
Please, you people should get out of here. And I say uncle. Go ahead, uncle.
Auntie, but if there's anything we've done wrong to you, please forgive us. We need to have a word with your husband. It's very important. Please. Rico.
I said both of you should leave my husband, please. Get out. Onana. Ask me to see about
Uncle.
Ma and Gerald.
Uncle, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, what are you standing outside for? Come in, come in.
Come in there. They are not entering this house. I told you to go out. Both of you should get out of my house.
Auntie, please, if we've done anything wrong to you, kindly forgive us. We are sorry. Just allow us to have a word with your husband. It's really very important.
Yes. Please. You people should leave me alone. Leave my family alone. And leave my husband alone. Allow him to stay here with us and settle our problems. Every time you will be calling him here and there.
Will you stop this? Will you stop it? What's the problem?
Welcome, Zuaike. Zuaike!
No.
They should go before I judge it for them.
I don't like this attitude. This is your house. Come inside.
Which house? Let them come inside. Since it's their house.
I'll come back.
Better come back for me.
Please, don't. It's okay. What's the problem in this house? I don't know the problem of this woman.
It's fine.
Honestly, I don't know.
We
please.
actually came to see you.
Don't ever come back here.
About my mother.
Nonsense.
That's why we're here.
Uncle, honestly, I don't know what we did to your wife.
I don't know why she's angry with us. As a matter of fact, we've never been this humiliated. Your wife treated us like a plague.
Even when you tried stopping her, she refused to listen to you.
Geraldine, I think she's doing all of that because of our mother.
My children, please. I am here to plead on my wife's behalf. I know she didn't try at all in her attitudes, but I am pleading on her behalf. Forgive her, please.
Thank you, Uncle. We don't have option. We've always been a father since we lost Papa.
It's okay.
We don't know our mother's whereabouts. That's why we're here.
I'm worried too. But have you reported this to the police?
Not yet. We decided to see you first.
Even her phone is switched off.
What?
Yes.
We need to make entry immediately. Yes, that's what we need to do.
Hey, do
please, let's go to the police station.
So you mean those people came here and you did not disgrace them?
It's a disgrace. Have you forgotten who your mother is? I dealt with them. I chased them out of my house. Did you make great?
Good. Mama, those girls were lucky I did not meet them here.
You don't have to worry yourself about that. I gave it to them. Next time, if they try to come here, that leg they used to come to our house, I must make sure I cut it off.
Mama, they will not even try it.
They will not try. See, the next time I meet them here, I will bring heaven down that day. I will not even look at Papa. I will not listen to him.
Your father, that one. You don't know what he did. He asked them to enter our house, but I chased them out. I gave it to him straight. He now followed them. Good. Osoro Apoba. Hey. Your father is not a man at all. He's a woman rapper.
Mom. Do you know what Obina said to me when I called him this afternoon?
Obina, your husband. What did he say? What happened?
Obina said that I should not call him again. You want me never to call him? He said I am useless like my mother. Obina called me useless. He called you useless.
Obina said that. Obina called me useless. That I am useless. Hey! Obina kuwano. Okuwano. Akwefuna na ho jipo here. Nga pahe ya ho panyu akupen. Anyway, I don't blame him. I blame your father. Your father is the cause of all this. Had it been he did what I asked him to do, if I am a man, Obina would not have had the guts, the impetus to talk to you like that or even call me useless. Nisobadera, Anamecheya. Hey, Ebuka. Nage buam. Abukoni ageni. Opuwa gono. Nisobadera. Obina.
Mama, I am troubled. I regret my marriage to Obina.
Don't trouble yourself. Don't trouble yourself about it. Everything will be alright. Everything will be alright.
We talked about going to the village. You never showed up and you never called to ask how it went.
I am sorry that I didn't go to the village with you people, but I wasn't interested. I just want to stay on my own and mind my business. Anything that concerns Mama, I don't want to put my mind there.
Ola. She's still a mother regardless.
Mama, that was then. That was then. That woman dealt with me. As a matter of fact, I just want to be on my own.
Yes. I don't like what you're saying, so you're saying she's no longer your mother?
That is it. Say, listen, I don't mean any harm. But if it's what you think, so be it.
So you're trying to tell me that if anything should happen to Mama, you will not feel it? You will not even show up?
Huh? Eh? Ma, I will not show up. I will not show up.
Ola.
I will not.
Ola. She's still our mother.
How far now?
Very well, and you?
How have you been?
Very well, I'm good.
Have you heard anything about our mother-in-law?
No. My wife is no longer interested in that matter.
Are you serious?
Uh-huh.
My wife has been worried. I'm very worried myself.
Honestly, I don't know where that woman is.
It's crazy. What do we do?
I am confused. I don't even know.
Where are you headed?
I want to see Ken for a couple of days now. I've not seen him.
Oh, Ken. Yeah. I actually want to see him myself.
Oh.
You know, I passed his house, but I'm not sure if he's home. So
Did you try?
No, I didn't because I'm not sure if he's home. So why don't you just go together?
Okay, fine. Where were you heading to before?
I was going back home.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go and check for him.
All right. Okay.
All right.
That's fine. I wanted to, stop by. In fact, I'm not sure if he's going to be around, so that's why I went to that. Oh, let's find out.
Mama what? Mama what? What is it? Did people just met off your houses? What is it?
Mama, what are you doing in my friend's house where you're supposed to be at the village?
Hey! Is that your wish for me? So you have hated me all this while. I rejected by fire and I return it back to you, back to sender, 1,000,000 times.
Ken, what is my mother-in-law doing in your house?
Why are you asking him? Didn't you and your wife chase me out of your house? Others cannot reject me when you and your wives rejected me. How can I do? Can't you leave me alone?
Ken, I'm asking you for the second time. What is my mother-in-law doing in your house? Tell me now, and funny, I want to know. Ken, what? Bro, are you thinking what I'm thinking? I think it's exactly the point.
Please ask these people to leave your house. Tell them to go and marry their wives. Go and marry your wives.
Ken, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Oh dear.
Charlie, let's go.
Come and stay. Come and stay.
Ken, you?
Oh dear. Tell them to go. Tell them to go. Tell them what? Let's go. Pedro, come back here.
Charlie, let's go. I'm surprised. Let's go. It's fine. Ken. Pedro.
Why are you behaving like a baby? Hi. Are you not more than 18? Why are you behaving like a baby?
I'm finished.
Finished by never.
What have you done? Why did you come out?
Oh, shut up. Shut up. Don't blame me. What is it? How was I supposed to know they were here? Huh?
Okay, now tell me, how do I explain this to your children?
Baby. How do you explain it to my children? What are you going to explain to them? Be a man for once. Now that you want to know how you're going to explain to them, when you see them and they ask you about it, tell them that they chased me out of the house and you saw me walking on the street helpless. You took me in to help them and wipe away the shame from their faces. Since you're a baby, you don't know what to tell them.
I don't like this. I don't like this. You've ruined my friendship with them now. I don't like it.
Did you know how you were doing it? Doing it hard. Yes, now friendship. What is friendship? Nonsense. What did I allow this fool to see me? I should have dodged the moment I saw them. Hey, can you see me here? If you enjoyment and madam, I can walk here on them. Ah! Then! Nah!
Mama sweet 16, no. Now so she go de bium. Oi, Mama sweet 16, no.
Bye, who's here?
Now so she go de bium.
Who's here?
Oya na papa.
Welcome.
Tell him I'm here.
Tell who?
Okay.
Oh, he's out.
He's out. Is this not his car?
Eh?
Is this not his car?
It is his car. No. Told you that my husband is out, and you are asking me whether this is not his car. Is it a must? He must go out with his car. Eh?
Oh, he went out without his car.
He went out without his car.
Anyway, tell him I was here.
He will hear.
Hey.
What else will make him come here, if not for Udoka and the children's case? Every time they will be disturbing us.
Mama, this. Who was that?
Who was who?
I heard voices, as if you were talking with someone.
Oh, I was only soliloquizing.
You were soliloquizing. Hello, my daughter. So how are you today? Huh? Are you serious? Oh, no, I'm coming right away. Yes, I'm right away. Wait.
Nine. Who was that? Who was that?
So she go dey yum. Mama sweet 16. So she go dey yum. Mama ni because you want me. So you go dey yum. Jay, I wish can woman know I'm in this year. Everything double wahala. Women, boy, watch your husband here.
Just imagine this man. Who called him? And why is he not responding to my question?
Where are you rushing to?
To your house.
My house?
I went to Ebuka's house. His wife told me that he's not around, but his car was parked. So I said, let me see you at once. Yes.
Well, I hope all is well.
All is well. Have you heard?
Heard what?
Sweet 16 Udoka is back.
Huh? Sweet 16 is back.
I'm telling you.
Chiebe, who told you?
I saw her with my 2 eyes.
Udoka is back in this village.
Okay.
Hey! Ebuka of all people.
Okay.
Ebuka. Deeper mother. Deeper mother. I would leave. I forgot to give you.
How is everybody?
Everybody's well.
Thank God, my brother.
I was in your house, and your wife told me that you are not around.
My wife said that? But I'm just driving straight from my house.
It's okay. Why would your wife lie to me?
I don't know. I don't know why she would do that. But as you can see, I am driving straight to my late brother's house because the first daughter of Udoka phoned me that the mother is back.
I saw her. I saw her with my 2 eyes.
So it is true?
Yes.
But where has it been all this while?
I don't know until I go there. I'll find out. When I get there, I'll find out.
Ichiebuka, we will come to your house in the evening.
It's all right. Yeah. So let me just drive straight to
no
that
problem.
place.
No
I will
problem.
tell you whatever I see.
Ichiebuka. Wait, you. Udoka's children say that Udoka is back in this village.
This is what they said. This is when I get there, I will know the truth. Let me drive straight.
Okay. Chebe, why is Udoka so troublesome like this?
My brother, no talk. Let's be going. Let's go.
So,
she go
and I have not seen your mother. Where is she?
I don't know. Mama! I've told her you're here. I don't know what is keeping her.
Mama! Mama, no. Mama, give me. What is that?
What are you doing here? Haven't I warned you to stay away from us?
Huh? Mama, what kind of embarrassment is this?
Embarrassment, you call it. You see this man? He has come here to play his tricks. I know his antics. He has come here to gossip me. And what if I say your gossip to wear wings and fly around this?
Why are you doing this?
Oh, shut up! Doing what? What am I doing? Just keep deceiving yourself. For them to feel that you like them. You don't like them. You only came to find out where I have been for the past 5 days. I'm not in my house. So go and tell them that I'm in my house.
Mama, what is this? Why are you insulting him?
Oh, shut up. Shut up. Am I in your house now? I'm in my own house.
You teamed up with your siblings to push me out of your houses. So what? I am back in my house to live the way I want to live. Do the things I want to do that makes me happy.
Then do them honorably.
It's not your business how I do it. It's not your business how I freaking do it. You're just deceiving them. And your coat. Look at your red cap. Go and live your holy life with your wife in your house. Why are you poke-nosing into other people's houses? What do you want from me, Ebuka? Okay, because anyway, I won't say anything because you're a Jew man. I won't have anything to do with you. Idiot. When you finish destroying your own mat, you sleep on the ground. Easy. Rubbish. I keep singing this song. Last man, where is that stupid idiot? Ebuka!
Don't get an aboja.
Idiot, who is this one?
Wait! Why are you shouting my husband's name? Ebuka, Ebuka, Ebuka. Where are you looking for him?
Look at this one. You know you don't have sense. Am I your mate? Yeah? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Evil man, leave me alone. What is this? Let me live my life. Now can't do what people become put on the more. Leave me alone. What is it? Why do you report me to the Mona?
Udoka, get out of my house.
Get out!
Imoroya, what's the get out?
Tell your husband to go and withdraw whatever charge he laid against me at the Mona. Leave me alone. Let me live my life. Leave me alone. Mind your space, Ebuka. Mind your space and leave me alone. Let me live my life. Am I living it for you?
Hold it there. Let you prove on. How dare you talk to my husband like that?
Is this your
so
husband?
You think that I will just stay here and watch you insult him?
And what will you do? Is it not to shout and ride like the mad woman you are? Tell your wife to stay away from me and you stay away from me.
Because get out of here.
I will go.
Get out.
I will go. But now again I'm not here nobody and leave me alone. Face her. Go finish her, go say finish her and leave me alone. Leave me alone, let me live my life. In Ajunaranya. Leave me alone. Stupid people. Shameless. You are all shameless. You want all look? If you hard work, you be talking about a woman. You can know you also.
You're going to shameless.